Hello, my name is Greg Sheehy, President of Extrutech Plastics. Today I would like to show you how to replace a panel on a wall after it's been damaged. Over the years we've had many customers call us and ask us how to take a panel out after it's been damaged, mostly in a car wash but also in agricultural buildings and food service buildings. Someone runs into the wall or they put a hole in the wall and they don't know what to do. So today we're going to replace a panel on this wall and show you the procedure on how to put a new panel in its place.